Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. In today's video, you would see how to grow Candytuft from seeds. In tropical climate, it's grown in winter and it's really a beautiful flowering plant. I bought the seeds from Trash Basket and I would put the link in description box in case you also want to try. To sow the seeds, going to use a seedling tray. You can use anything. Just make sure that depth is around 2 inches. For potting soil mix, taking 80% coco peat and rest 20% vermicompost. Already fill the tray and now pre-soaking the soil media a bit. It's okay even if you don't do this and you can always water later. Let's sow the seeds now. The ideal soil temperature to grow Candytuft is around 20 to 27 degrees Celsius, and in tropical climate we can start sowing the seeds from September onwards. In coldest countries, of course, it is not going to be possible to grow in winter, and if I am not wrong, spring is going to be the best time. Anyway, please grow according to the temperature and your growing zone. Alright, we are done. Next I am going to keep the tray in a place where it's going to get morning sunlight till around 10 am. It's only after 5 days and quite surprising that they have already germinated. Today is the first time I am watering after sowing the seeds using a sprayer. Please note that water schedule is going to depend highly on your environment, but still it's safe to say that in initial days we can spray water as soon as we see that topsoil is somewhat dry. Please avoid keeping the soil too wet or the seedlings are going to turn yellow and then die. It's after 8 days. From now onwards, I am going to water a bit more instead of just spraying. You can follow the same while growing anything from seeds, and I am going to repeat the same thing as soon as I see that topsoil is somewhat dry. It's after 25 days and seedlings are ready to be transplanted. Though they germinated quite fast, they took long time to reach this stage. There is also a sad news. Sparrows damage 99% of the seedlings and there is only one remaining. I am so much thankful to the sparrows that they left at least one seedling for me. The size of the pot is 6 inches and it's more than enough for one plant. I have also prepared a basic soil mix and did it this way. 50% normal garden soil, 25% vermicompost and rest 25% coco peat. Here is one very important thing. While transplanting, it's actually better to bury the stem to the first leaf node. I was kind of tired and did not notice in micro level as I was transplanting lots of seedlings that day. Realized that I did a mistake after reviewing the recordings. Anyway, let's water the seedling now. Since it's so small, not much water is needed. Next, I would keep the pot in indirect sunlight for next 1 to 2 days and then I would move the pot to the terrace. It's after 75 days. They take quite a long time to produce flower and maybe that's why they are not much popular. Let's see how to fertilize them. I am going to use liquid fertilizers as it's easy to apply. First one is 5 ml of fish amino acid and second one is 20 ml of Panchagavya. I have been applying the same once in 25 to 30 days. If you don't have them, please try to use any other balanced fertilizer once in 25 to 30 days. For example, you can also use NPK 19-19-19 and those would be half teaspoon in 1 liter water. So guys, it's the result after 110 days. Quite a long time. But I am glad that sparrows left only one seedling for me, and that one is doing quite well. Great feeling after 110 days. Candytuft flower looks almost same as elizam. For example, here are the elizams. The flowers are almost same, but difference is clearly visible in growing habit. Elizams are best as ground cover. Did I miss anything? Of course, yes. So how about the sunlight? Full sun is preferred, but if it's not possible, please try to provide minimum 3 to 5 hours of direct sunlight. As my plant was in terrace, it was getting whole day of sunlight. For watering, please do as soon as you see that topsoil is getting dry. Avoid watering too much as they are not fast growing plant. For winter, Christmas cactus is again one very beautiful plant, and this is the best time to grow. In case you are interested in knowing more, please do check out my next video. So that's all about growing Candytuft from seeds. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, I would really appreciate if you give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you are new to gardening upbeat. Thank you very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Have a great time and enjoy.